Do you want to experience country living at its best? Follow me. Yes. Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Zanella, your Prescott Arizona realtor. If you're coming from out of town or out of state, or if you're thinking about putting your house for sale, don't hesitate to call me, drop me a line, send me an email. I'll be very happy to help. Today I am in Legend Hills. Where is this place? It's the eastern part of Prescott Valley. This wonderful, quiet, quaint, gray community sits at the foothills of the Mingus Mountains. This house in particular that I'm showing you today is 2,536 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. Are you ready for this? 6-car garage. Yes, you heard right. Look at the size of this garage. You can almost build a tennis court in it. Well, not quite. On 2 acres. Plenty of elbow space in here. Let's take a tour inside. Let's go. Let's go in. Today I decided to bring a special treat for all my guests. I see a lot of knives and cooking tools here. It looks like there's a chef in the house. Or maybe I should start cooking today. What I really love about this house is that the living areas separate the master bedroom with a saltwater hot tub right outside to the guest rooms. Master bedroom sits on the other side of the living area, so if you have guests, everybody's got their own privacy. This is so peaceful. I can hear a thing. I have to whisper. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this beautiful community, Legend Hills, just at the foothills of the Mingus Mountain. And this house, if you like this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. So long.